Hello, welcome back to Cloud 365. So basically today check issue face हो रहा है regarding when I try to installing Office application, downloading the .exe file. So I am not able to do so. So if I go to the apps, so मैंने install app पे click किया, then I click on Microsoft 365 apps. Previously यहाँ पे क्या होता था, we can download the .exe file, but as of now the option is not showing. So I will check the settings or the settings, installation options. Here we also getting the semi enterprise channel and all the stuffs. And I think the portal is got changed. So after doing all the troubleshooting and everything, so there is two options: either we can deploy it via ODT or we can directly download Office 365. We can directly go here and then we can download it for Windows. Then the setup.exe file is coming. So I think there is a change in the Microsoft 365. Multiple users are getting the same issue, and I did not get a proper article on the same, like what is the release information and other things. Because if I'm going to the message center, so there are update on the Microsoft 365 app. We are rolling updates to update channel start and setting PHT. If you automatically update this, okay, this is the current channel update, and the second one is we can directly search here. This install. You can check the service. You can check it for Microsoft 365 application. Okay, so there is basically the option update shown that have been delayed in the meantime. Operate to directing my account portal in my account with desktop and Office web apps to support and user instrument layer on my account portal is continue using with the proceed and user will install apps. If you allow your users please show direct link.
Thank you for watching.
Instead,
Don't forget to
please
like
step for
and
download
subscribe to stay
install
updated
Office
with more
365.
Microsoft
If you
365
do not
and
allow the
email
Office
security tutorials.
application, then